Hello friends, today we are going to see how MAXIFS functions is used in Excel. Before that, I would like to tell you what is the purpose, what is the use of MAXIFS functions. MAXIFS functions is basically used to highlight a particular item which shows higher value in dataset. So in the data given on a screen, we can see the month, then item and cost. So respective month, the respective item is purchased at a respective cost. Now, from the data set, we need to find a higher value for a particular item. For example, we will calculate a higher value for the monitor. So we will use the function MAXIFS. So let's begin. Type MAXIFS. Now max range we need to select. So for that purpose, we need to select this row and we need to fix that. So Alt F4 we need to press, comma, criteria range. So what is the criteria? We need to find the item of monitor having a higher value. So we will select the item column, comma. Now we need to find the item named monitor, right? So we need to give the command accordingly. So in double inverted comma, press monitor, closed, and then enter. So we got the answer of 500. Now we can cross check whether we are correct or not. So you can see here, monitor is, here is the monitor. Yeah, these are the three rows where monitor is mentioned, and you can see the value as well, 450, 400, and then 500. So you can see the higher value of 500, which has been, this is the result we got by using the function MAXIF.